Ever feel like your system monitor is holding you back? Imagine having a tool that instantly reveals your system's performance in real time, so you can focus on coding, not waiting. Get ready to supercharge your terminal insight. Welcome back to CodeOps HQ. Today, we're diving into BTop, a modern, feature-packed terminal system monitor with eye candy, GPU stats, and process management that'll make you wonder how you ever used anything else. Today, I'll show you why BTop is the ultimate tool for sysadmins, DevOps engineers, and Linux power users. Let's dive in. Let me introduce you to an incredible platform that's perfect for developers, codecrafters.io. If you've ever been curious about how things like shells, databases, or even HTTP servers work under the hood, Codecrafters is the place for you. One of their standout projects is the Build Your Own Shell Challenge. It's hands-on, engaging, and a perfect complement to this video. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your system programming skills, Codecrafters has you covered. Use our link in the description to sign up and you will get 40% discount. BTop is a next-generation system resource monitor for the terminal, evolving from BTop and BTop. It delivers real-time updates on CPU, memory, disk, and network usage with a beautifully designed, interactive interface. With BTop, you don't just monitor your system, you experience it. Every statistic is presented clearly and dynamically, giving you the insights you need to optimize performance and troubleshoot issues in real time. Installing BTop is incredibly simple. Every major package manager has it, and if yours don't have it, you can build it from source. Once installed, just type BTop in your terminal and watch your system's performance come to life. Let's get hands-on with BTop. The interface is designed to be navigable and interactive. Change panels between CPU, memory, network, disk, and processes using the number keys 1 through 4 and D. Need to find a specific process? Filter processes by pressing F, then typing in the filter box. You can sort processes by CPU, memory, or other metrics by using the arrow keys. See the process hierarchy in tree view to understand parent-child relationships. Just press E. Press K to kill a selected process. To see processes in detail, press Enter on the selected process. Press H to see the help menu. BTop is not just functional, it's highly customizable. Make it truly yours by tweaking its appearance and behavior. Press Escape or M to bring the main menu. BTop comes with several built-in themes, and you can easily switch between them to find one that suits your taste. You can adjust the update interval to control how frequently BTop refreshes data, balancing real-time monitoring with system resources. Customize which meters are displayed to focus on the system information that's most important to you. And that's just scratching the surface. BTop has many more customization options. Be sure to explore the menu and experiment with all the settings to make it truly your own. To wrap up, BTop is more than just a system monitor, it's your window into your system's performance, delivered with style and efficiency. With its real-time updates, interactive interface, and extensive customization options, BTop will change how you view your system forever. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to CodeOps HQ, and leave a comment below with your favorite feature of BTop or any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.